Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a unique vehicle here. It's a 1999 Ford Expedition, Eddie Bauer, top of the line back then, four-wheel drive. This was a local trade, Southern SUV, so there's not a bunch of rust on it. It's been well taken care of. It's got the towing package. It's only got 95,000 miles. That is correct. 95,000 miles, very low miles. Got the nice lighted running boards. Got chrome wheels with brand new Michelin tires. Previous owner spent a bunch of money on this thing, trying to basically restore it to new condition almost. Got new grill, new headlights. Got a good Carfax, non-smoker. Keyless remote entry. It's got the keypad. It's a little slight crack here in the mirror. I have to show you some flaws, which there's not many on this one. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, everything works. It's got the best radio back then. Power seat, heated seat. How about these seats? Over 20 years old and the leather's still together. I've seen some 5-year-old vehicle didn't look this good. So leather's in good shape. It's got clean carpet, some all-weather floor mats, adjustable power pedal, tilt steering. Yep, very nice on the inside. Got 95,533. Pretty straightforward. Got cruise control, wiper control. It's got your automatic transmission with the overdrive. And this was fancy back then. AM, FM, cassette player. It does have automatic climate control with outside temperature. All that stuff works. The air works. Four-wheel drive shift on the fly. Center console. All the plastics really nice, good shape. I don't know what that plug-in is for. The dash is all nice, not all cracked or faded. It's got your trip computer up here. Your rear climate control, all that works. Back then they had these vents. Let me see. Try it on this one. You can see that back window opens. Kind of ventilates the vehicle. Very nice. I've got both keys, the owner's manual. Like I said, the previous owner had a lot of work done to it, so he even got the fancy repair book. Original window sticker, right at 40 grand. Could buy a house for that back then. Rides like a new one. Very smooth. It's got an automatic leveling suspension, and all that suspension is new. So it rides and looks almost like a new one. Lots of room. You've got 8 passengers. Again, leather's in good shape too here. No tears, no rips. Look at that. All clean. Got audio control for the rear. Pretty amazing. Got climate control for the rear also back here. Headline is good, no issues. Here's your third seat. This lays down forward, but it takes 2 hands, so I'm not going to do it now, but you can lay both seats forward. Brand new tires. New brakes. This is a new bumper pad. You can remove the third seat. A lot of these vehicles, the third seat is missing because it's been traded so many times and the previous owner keeps the seat, forgets it, or it just gets misplaced. This one comes with it. Got a nice tow package. Body's in good shape. Heated seat on the passenger side. All that's new. Got the 5.4-liter V8. Good engine. Like I said, I've got receipts for over $10,000 worth of work that's been done in the last couple of years. All the gaskets have been replaced, the hoses, water pump, head bolt, head gaskets. Flushed all the fluid. Someone looking for a nice four-wheel drive SUV, this will be a good beginner's vehicle or a nice hunting vehicle. Just got many use for it without spending a fortune. To see if this Ford Expedition is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Due to the age, I have no financing available on this unit, so either you have to get your own financing or cash, and no extended warranty, so it's as is also. But everything is in great shape. You need to come and test drive to see it. You will not be disappointed. Worldwide shipping is also available. If you need a shipping quote or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.